In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Navy Federal Secured Credit Card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a Navy Federal Secured Credit Card is a great way to rebuild your credit. So I'm going to give you a breakdown on what to consider and what to use to make full usage of your card. So first, you should understand secured credit cards. A secured credit card requires a security deposit which acts as a collateral. This deposit typically determines your credit limit. With Navy Federal, this deposit is held in a qualifying savings account. Usually all of this will be managed through the mobile app, so I would highly recommend downloading this if you were approved for a secured credit card from Navy Federal, where you will be able to manage everything. So you will see all of the payments, all of the statements, and so on. You should build credit with the card so it functions like a regular credit card and your activity is reported to credit bureaus. This allows you to establish a positive credit history. With responsible use, you may be eligible to upgrade to an unsecured credit card and your security deposit will be returned. To use it, you can do it as a standard credit card. So you can swipe it at physical locations, you can do contactless payments, or you can use it online by inputting the card number, the security code, and any other necessary information such as the cardholder's name. So choose whichever option you prefer, either physically in store through a card reader machine like this one, or online by using the credentials. Now, for general tips to use your Navy Federal Secured Credit Card properly, always practice responsible spending. Treat it like any other credit card. Avoid overspending and only charge what you can afford to pay back. A good rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your credit limit. This means that if your limit is $500, try not to carry a balance of more than $150. Pay your bills on time every month. The app is wonderful for this. You can see the statements, you can make the payments, and you will see the date in which the payment is due. So this is why having the app good to go is very important. And by consistent, responsible use, you will be able to build a good credit history and eventually upgrade potential. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Navy Federal Secured Credit Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.